finding a client, partner, or influencer online is one of the most time-consuming and frustrating things you can do. You open LinkedIn, start browsing profiles, then you go to Google, do a bunch of different searches, then Instagram, then Twitter. An hour later, you're faced with 30 tabs open, maybe only 5 contacts that look promising, but you still don't have a single real email address. And that's just the search part. You haven't even connected with anyone yet. Now there is a tool that solves this whole tedious process with just one simple request. Yes, there really is such a tool, and it's called Lessie AI. A tool that what makes it different is its extreme simplicity, and at the same time its great power. Its idea is very simple, but the result it gives can be a complete game changer. Instead of switching between several different platforms and setting different filters on each separate site and spending hours to maybe find a few incomplete results, just write exactly what you want in 1 or 2 simple sentences in English. For example, you can write "find YouTubers" in the field of AI with more than 50k subscribers, or find marketing managers in growing startups that need video services. And that's it. Nothing particularly complicated. You just type in your requirement, hit the search button, and Lessie activates an AI agent that starts searching simultaneously across platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, GitHub, and over 15 more, checking them all in a matter of seconds. If you want to try this tool yourself, I've included the link in the video description. You can sign up for free and see how it works in real time. And if you use my invite code when you sign up, you can get started faster and take advantage of its features. Lessie AI shows its user interface here, which is designed exactly like ChatGPT and is very easy to use. On the left side are options such as new chat, running tasks, inbox for responding to emails, and the recent section for chat history. Now let's go back to the new chat. For example, let's do a real search to see exactly how this tool works in practice and whether it can actually deliver what it promises. Let's say I want to find AI content creators who have over 50k followers. Normally, to find such people, you would have to log into multiple platforms, search LinkedIn, search for channels on YouTube, check Instagram and Twitter, and set different filters each time. This is both time-consuming and tedious, but here I can just type in this simple sentence and start searching. Now as you can see, the system starts to analyze my request in detail, not just superficially, but really understands it and automatically builds a complete structure for the search, something that you had to do manually before, namely, choosing platforms, setting filters, reviewing results, and eliminating irrelevant ones. But now all these steps are done behind the scenes and intelligently, and you only get the final result. After a few moments, the results start to appear. And the important thing is that these are not just random or incomplete data, but real people with real profiles, people who exactly match the criteria that you have specified. If we click on any of these results, we can see more information, including social media links, activities, job position, and in many cases even direct email, which is incredibly important because it means you can communicate with these people directly, without intermediaries, and without wasting time. This means that if you are a freelancer, you can reach potential clients faster. If you are a marketer, you can find the right influencers. And if you are a business owner, you can reach real decision makers without spending hours searching. In addition, one of the most interesting and practical features of this tool is that it is even possible to send emails directly within the platform itself, meaning that after finding the right people, you no longer need to exit the tool or go to email, but you can send them a message right there and at that very moment. And the more interesting thing is that the artificial intelligence of this tool itself can also write the email text for you, not simply, but completely professional, targeted and tailored to the type of request you have, so that if your goal is to attract customers, the email text is written in a way that increases the likelihood of receiving a response. And if your goal is to collaborate or introduce services, the text is adjusted exactly based on the same scenario. This will significantly speed up your work, as you no longer need to think about what to write for each person individually, or spend a lot of time writing initial messages, but in a few seconds you have a ready-made professional and sendable text that you can use as is, or personalize a little if needed. On the other hand, you have the possibility to save, categorize, and keep all the information collected in an organized manner, so that you can reuse it for future projects or different campaigns, which means that over time you will build a valuable database of your target audience that is always available to you, and that you can use whenever you need it. This feature is especially valuable for people who work with clients, influencers, or business partners on a regular basis, as it not only saves them time, but also makes the communication process much faster, easier, and more professional. Now on the results page, there is an export option, which is one of the most useful parts of this tool. When I click on it, all this information is displayed as an Excel file. As you can see, information such as profile links, names, companies, job titles, email addresses, and even countries of people have been collected from platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, and other networks, and provided to you in a completely organized and structured way. This means that you not only have access to the data, but you can also easily manage it, filter it, use it in email campaigns, or even import it into other tools. And all this starts with just a simple request. What used to take hours, or even days, now takes minutes, and that's exactly what makes this tool so powerful and useful. Now let's try another example, to see more precisely how this tool works in different situations, and whether it only works well in a specific situation, or can actually be used in different scenarios. Suppose we want to find people who have talked about a specific topic. For example, people who have posted about Sora 2 on Twitter, and have at least 5K followers. Normally finding such people requires manual searching, checking multiple profiles, and spending a lot of time, but here we just need to enter this simple sentence: find people on Twitter who have posted about Sora 2 and have more than 5K followers. Now, look what happens. The system starts analyzing our request again, not just superficially, but in a way that correctly identifies the necessary criteria. That is, it understands that we are looking for people who have both published content on this specific topic and have a certain number of followers, which means it understands exactly what kind of audience we are looking for. And after a few seconds, the results are displayed, and the important thing is that these results are completely targeted. That is, we are faced with a list of people who have actually posted on this topic, not random or unrelated people who are just generally active in that area. If we click on any of these results, we can go directly to that person's profile, see their activities, check out the content they've published, and very quickly determine whether this person really matches our needs or not, which makes decision-making much faster and more accurate. Ultimately, this means that you can find people who are completely relevant to a specific topic in the shortest possible time, review them, and even take action to collaborate, connect, or run targeted campaigns with them, without having to spend hours searching through different platforms or spending time searching for scattered information. Now let's try another example to see how this tool works in finding influencers. Let's say we want to find TikTok content creators, specifically in the beauty sector, who have more than 15,000 followers. To do this, we just need to write our request in a simple form: find TikTok beauty creators with more than 15K followers. Now, as you can see, the system analyzes our request again and specifies the necessary criteria. This means that it understands exactly what kind of influencer we are looking for. After a few seconds, the results will be displayed. These are people who are really active in the beauty sector on TikTok and have a decent number of followers. If we click on one of these people, we can see their profile and check if they are suitable for cooperation or not. This is exactly what you need for marketing campaigns or working with influencers. Instead of spending hours searching TikTok, you have access to a ready-made list of relevant people in seconds. Ultimately, what we saw here isn't just a simple tool, it's a shortcut to finding clients, collaborations, and opportunities you might not have had access to before. The real difference between people who grow and those who stay stuck is speed. The one who finds opportunities faster, acts faster, and connects faster wins, and that's exactly what this tool helps you do. If you're still doing everything the old way, you're simply wasting time. But with tools like this, you can stay a few steps ahead. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Sign up, test it out, and don't forget to use my invite code to get started faster. Now I've got a question for you. If you had access to this tool right now, who would you search for first? A client, an influencer, or a big opportunity? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.